So hi Katrina, this is your question about how to send uh, an email, or how does an Automail works. First, on the email, this is how it works. All you have to do is to click and select send email here. I did some tests here. Okay, I send in our test account and I received the email here. So these are the contents and this is working. Okay, so this is my inbox. This is where I tested. This is where I received the email that I tested on the virtual office examples. This, all you have to do is the owner should have an email, or the member should have an email. They will receive directly if you want to send a personalized email to them. And you can see here, email, the save email or the sent email. So it is working. I did some tests here in my end. We use our demo account. It is working. So another is the Automail. Okay, the Automail works for prospects and also for members or affiliate or what you call partner. But in your case, since we don't have an enrollment page for your partner, the Automail is not, there is no an Automail series assigned for the partner for these members because these are migrated accounts from your system. So if you check here, there's no Automail. Okay, now only admin can send an Automail here. Example, you have to select this member and click Start Autoresponder, and you will select an autoresponder. Now, as you observe here, these Automail are only per prospect. Because you have a builder system with us, we only handle prospect. So since this is a partner, we don't have an Automail series for your partner member, and these are migrated account here from your system. So no Automail, no autoresponder is triggering when they are enrolling on Zinzino. Now, on the prospect side, since we are only handling capture pages on your end, and from our end, so the Ascent, the Balance Oil, the Viva partner, those are the capture pages. Okay, when they sign up on the capture pages, one of your capture pages, they will receive an Automail series. As you can see here, this is the series. Example, these members sign up on the webinar. Okay, it will send the series of the Automail. Example, you have a series of 5 series. It will send within the day, on the next day, on the third day, on the fourth day. Now, if you want to resend an Automail, only admin account can do that. Now, all you have to do is to select this and select the Start AM. As you can see here, there's a drop down here. You can send any type of Automail for this specific prospect. So again, we don't have an Automail series for your partner because we don't have an enrollment page from your side. This is a migrated account from your system. And we only handle prospects, so the Automail only works in prospect. If you check here, there are Automail series for each prospect because on where they were registered their account, or either webinar or capture pages. Okay, so that's Automail works. Okay, thank you.